Namaskar, good evening, and welcome to episode number 3 and Counter with Alok, sponsored by Zozo DMC, which is a destination management based company out in London and Scotland, which does FIT tour groups and many other tour packages. Today, we have a very special guest, Kshitij Sharma, who is a cricketer by passion and by profession. He was a part of Indian Premier League IPL of Chennai Super King 2018. So we will welcome all the way from New Delhi, Kshitij Sharma. Welcome Kshitij to my show. Hello Kshitij, how are you?
I'm fine, Alok Bhai. Thank you so much for having me on your show.
That's my pleasure. That's my pleasure, man.
And I'm so happy to be part of your show, man.
No, thank you. Thank you. That's very good. So I'll explain you what this show is all about. This platform has been made to acquire knowledge and entertain people. So we have got 3 sections in the show. So the first section will be on your career based and your achievements, what achievements you have done. And secondly, it will be on your hobbies, interest, and about the situation, what is going on around the world these days. The third section will be rapid fire round and your closing statement. So did you get that?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So are we good to go?
Yeah, we are good to go.
Okay, very good. So my first question and counter question to Kshitij Sharma will be this. Why did you choose cricket as a career and what made you do so?
The thing is, I always like watching matches when it used to take place on the television, and I got inspired by Sachin Tendulkar because everyone, in their initial days, they have got a hero which they follow. So for me, during my early days, it was Sachin Tendulkar, and there's something very special that I'm sharing with you. I used to skip my schools, I didn't used to go to I used to play matches, and I used to watch, and I all of a sudden, it became as a passion for me, and I started playing and I started taking interest in it. And as you know, cricket is religion in India, and people are mad about the sport. So it makes me feel alive.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Good. Good, Kshitij. So my second question will be, what all it takes for a cricketer to compete regarding the competition?
See, there are so many things which takes for an aspiring cricketer to play at the highest level. Because when you think about cricket, it is a sport in India which is being played at a very large scale. There are so many people playing this game. So for me, your mental stability and your mental rehearsal is really important if you want to play at a higher level. So as a sports person, the sport is being surrounded by 3 things, like it's your mental abilities, second is your technical, and the third one is your physical. So all these 3 pillars adds up, and it makes you a good cricketer. So I feel all these 3 things are really important.
Very good. Very good. So my next question will be, what levels you played cricket in and what's your achievements?
The levels which I have played in cricket are like I represented DDCA, which is Delhi District Cricket Association. I have played senior cricket for them, which is like under 23 and under 25. Okay. And this format of cricket, which is known as first class cricket, which we also call as Ranji Trophy. So I have been playing that for Delhi, and I was part of Chennai Super Kings in 2018 in Indian Premier League.
Yeah.
And I have also played as an overseas cricketer in England in 2009, 2014, and in Australia in the year 2016. So I have been playing as an overseas professional as well for many clubs abroad.
Wow, very good, very good. So my next question will be automatically, who is your favorite cricketer and why?
My favorite cricketer is Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Amazing.
My cricketer.
Yeah, very good, man. He's my favorite too as well. Yeah.
Oh,
good.
Really? Oh, that's great. The best part about Mahi Bhai is, or we can say MSD is, he is fearless, and at the same time he's very calm. So I was lucky enough to have spent a lot of time with him when I was part of Chennai Super King. And fortunately, we both share the same brand. We play with the same brand called Beat All Sports. Initially when I started cricket, I started playing with Bas. He also started playing with Bas. So couple of things, couple of qualities which he has got, which I have also, which I'm also trying to get into my life are, he stays in the present moment. That's the best part about him. And he's a great student of life. So once you become a great student of life, automatically you are a great student of game as well. So
Wow.
he's working on all the areas of the field. That's why he's able to act in a particular manner on the field as well. And like his perception, the way he looks at the situation is totally amazing. It's totally different. Most of the people, they won't get hang out of the situation, but his viewpoints is totally different. And another thing which I have learned from him and why I preach him and why I follow him is, what he taught me was like, there are a lot of people who are focusing on the results. They are not focusing on the process. So the best thing which he does is he always follows the process. So once you follow the process, the results will automatically come. So this is the best part about him. Yeah.
Very good. Very, very honest answer. I liked it. See, I have been getting, I mean, since I have posted your flyer, I have been getting many calls. I have been getting many questions in my WhatsApp and my email. So one question, a gentleman from Lucknow, Mr. Baliram Shukla, he has asked that you have shared um, you have shared the dressing room with MSD. So what kind of feeling did you have? And with Chennai Super King, what was one of the best feeling you had in that? So how will you describe sharing dressing room with these players?
See, initially the best part is like when you are part of CSK, you feel at home. You feel as if you are a part of family. And all the senior cricketers, whether they are from Australia, whether they are from England, or whether Indian cricketers, they welcome you with all their hearts open. So you feel as if you are part of that group. I never felt that I was getting into the team for the first time, because all of them made me feel comfortable. And you get to learn a lot of things from these players. First of all, the thing is, they make you feel home, as I told you, and then you can observe small little things, which you can take it into your stride, and end of the day you will become a champion, because they are playing at an elite level. So the journey has never been easy. Like, as we know, for MSD the journey has not been easy. So if you can take all those things into your stride, automatically when you come back to your domestic season, or when you are playing for India A, you will have few ingredients with you which you can apply, the experience which you have shared with these players. So this will give you competitive edge when you're playing in the domestic circuit.
I like the word when you say ingredients, because being in hospitality sector, we use a lot of terminology, and ingredient is one of the most important terminology. Very good. Just wanted to ask, I can see in your background a shield is placed out there. What shield is it? Which cup is it?
See, in Delhi, we have got a lot of local tournaments taking place. Even before, like IPL started in 2008. Before that, all these cricketers who are playing in IPL, they used to play in hot weather cricket tournaments in Delhi. So this trophy is from a hot weather cricket tournament of DDCA, Delhi District Cricket Association. Yeah.
Okay, very good. See, in 2018, if I'm not wrong, in 2018, did Chennai Super King win, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we were the champions. Yeah.
You were the champions, right? In the final match, what was all in your mind? What was the setup of mind? What was MSD thinking? Means, because he's known as Captain Cool. So what was actually his views? What was your thought? What was his
See,
desire? What he
the
thought?
the best part is, when he thinks, he doesn't let that thing appear on his face. He's thinking internally, and all his decisions are, the way he makes strategies, and the way he plans, it's totally different. So I still remember, like, when we guys were playing against Sunrisers Hyderabad, uh, Shane Watson, when he was playing in the finals, first 12 balls, he was like playing on not, and all of us in the dressing room, all of us in the dugout were thinking, man, we are chasing such a big target. So all of us were giving different expressions, which can be seen, but
Yeah.
MSD, believe me, he was calm and composed. He was quite still, because he knows, his key player was Shane Watson, and believe me, he scored a match-winning century in that game
My God.
for us. And we were thinking, like, man, he's not in touch, he's not in form, he's played 12 dot balls. But the way his calculation goes, MSD's calculation goes, is totally amazing. So he had no doubt about the same. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, if we talk about MSD, whole session can be on MSD, but we have to move around. So the first section you have cleared, and you have cleared with 100% marks. You have done very well, pretty well. So we move to section two now. So section two is based on your travel part, your interest, so and hobbies. As you know, the pandemic is going on. Means, so what do you want to say about the world pandemic, about coronavirus? What do you want to explain and want to tell my clients, my viewers who want to listen to this?
See, I would like to tell you something like there's a term called control the controllable.
Very good.
We control what's going on right now in this universe or in this world. We cannot control what the other person can do. Is that we can always control our actions and we can control our thinking, the way we guys think. This is totally an unexpected situation. No one in the world was aware about this situation, that we guys will be in such a kind of a situation, such kind of a trauma. But believe me, a lot of people should understand that their mental health is the most important thing right now. If you have a good, stable mental health, once this situation is over, you can always restart. So probably as a sports person, and when I talk to different group of people in different part of the world, what I tell them is, like when I was a child, I was always told life gives you four kind of situations. Four kind of
Yeah.
situations. The first is when you get as per your expectation, equal to your expectation. The second one is more than your expectation. The third one is less than your expectation, and the fourth one is opposite to your expectation. So this situation is totally opposite to your expectation. You never expected this. So the best way what I can tell to deal with this situation is that we should practice gratitude each and every day.
Mm-hmm.
We practice gratitude, our thought process, our energy starts changing, and it will really help us in our mental health. So the most important thing is we want to stay away from anxiety and we should work upon our mental health. That's
Okay.
the most important thing. Yeah.
Very, very good, very good. On this platform, I would like to say my viewers that please do listen and act upon. Very good. Moving to the next question. Like you mentioned earlier that you love travel. So what is the best part of travel you love, and means what do you desire with the travel industry? And you've been traveled, means I was seeing you blogging and these all, that you have traveled a lot, quite a lot of places in the world, and you take your marks on the what we say, on the map. So please tell
Uh,
me something about your traveling
Uh,
experience.
First of all, I would like to say I'm very fortunate enough that I have seen a lot of countries and I've seen a lot of places, and I've got a vision board over there where I put the places or the countries that I have to visit. And
Okay.
I love traveling domestically as well, and I love traveling internationally as well. So like whenever I have a off season like June, I love traveling. Like I have been to many places in Europe, I have been to many places in UK. So the best part about travel is, like I always say, when you have good times, travel to celebrate. When you have bad times, travel to forget. And when you don't know what you are doing in your life, just travel to create something. So travel keeps me alive. And you
Wow.
meet you meet so many new people, and you get to know so much about new culture, when you're traveling abroad. And personally, for me, the best place which I have traveled abroad is Scotland. I love that place. And I love
Very good.
Switzerland.
Very good. You mentioned
And
Scotland. So
domestic
sorry
and
to
domestic.
interrupt you. Sorry to interrupt you. You have mentioned Scotland. I feel proud and take a proud to say that. Thank you very much. And through this medium, through this podium, through this platform, I would like to thank Zozo DMC who has sponsored us. They are a destination management company. So for all your viewers, if you want to travel across UK, London and Scotland, or even in Europe, do consider Zozo DMC. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Sorry, I interrupted you.
And what I was saying, like I like traveling domestically as well, like at domestic circuits. For me personally, Srinagar and Goa, these are the two best places which I have seen, in India. And I love traveling, man. I can't live without travel, to be very frank.
Good, man. Good, good, good. So, going to the, just give me 1 minute. Something has popped on my email and it says, okay, I have another question. I'm sorry. It's from Rajiv Tiwari from Dhanbad.
Okay.
So, okay. So Rajiv Tiwari has asked how does it feels like when how does it feels like when you play his English is bit okay, yeah, it's right. How does it feels like when you play with the famous cricketers, and who is your favorite and best friend in the cricket industry?
See, what I would like to say is that it's all about how have you been born and brought up. How it's all about your attitude, how you look at the situation. For me, I never give black market value to any person or to any situation. If I'm playing with the
Beautiful.
likes of Suresh Raina or if I'm playing with the likes of MSD, I'm not giving them any black market value. So you should have a good self-talk with yourself first. How you see yourself is really important. You should be high on your self-esteem. You should know your self-worth. Okay. So this is very important. How you look at yourself first is really important because for me, playing with Raina Bhai or playing with MSD was just a normal thing. When I entered the dressing room, I was being welcomed with a warm heart. But when I used to look myself in the mirror, I used to say I have earned something. So it made me high on my self-esteem. So once you're high on your self-esteem, everything is normal.
Wow.
Everything is normal.
Beautiful answer. Beautiful answer. So Rajiv must be very happy after getting his answer. Okay, you have done section 2 pretty well. Now we move to the third section, and it's the last section, rapid fire round. You good to go?
I'm good to go.
Okay, the first encounter rapid fire question to Kshitij Sharma will be this: your best
Your best
innings.
against Rajasthan this year in the Ranji Trophy.
Very good. Who do you admire the most?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Dhoni or Virat?
Dhoni.
What is your biggest addiction?
Playing cricket.
What was the lowest grade you have ever been given, and what class was it? It was.
Lowest grade was probably I can't remember this because probably I think I was probably you can say in Sanskrit in class ninth.
Okay, here we go. As a cricketer, your biggest strength.
Suresh Raina.
No. As a cricketer, your biggest strength. As a
So
cricketer,
my biggest strength. Oh, I said I thought okay. My biggest strength is like I'm mentally quite tough, mentally very tough.
very good. What's your favorite pastime? In your pastime, what do you do? Means, what's your favorite pastime?
I love reading and writing. I
Very
love to
good.
read.
Now, listen this one. It's very interesting. Kill, marry, hook up. If you're not married, of course you're not. So, Alia, Katrina, Sara Ali Khan. Whom will you kill? Whom will you marry? Whom will you hook up? Alia, Katrina, Sara Ali Khan.
Katrina. Yeah.
So you have to tell all: marry whom, kill whom, and hook up whom.
Okay. So
Marry
it's a quite.
Katrina, you said, yeah.
I will marry Katrina. I will kill uh, Alia, and
Okay.
the was and
Sara
which
Ali
was
Khan.
yeah
Hook up with
and
Sara Ali Khan. Okay, so
yeah
you'll marry Katrina, you'll kill Alia, and you'll hook up with Sara Ali Khan. That's interesting.
yeah.
Sounds very good. Okay, we move to next one. What does the name of your word mean, Kshitij?
It means horizon.
Very good. Good to know. I didn't knew it. Okay. And the last question of rapid fire question: if heaven exists, what would
Yeah.
you like to hear God says when you arrive on the pearly gates?
Like when I arrive in heaven and the God, the thing which I would like to hear is like the God. I will be very happy when He says, "You have done all the good deeds which I have asked you to do, and you have ticked all the boxes."
Wow, sounds wonderful. Kshitij, you did very well and you passed the rapid fire round as well. And it was really nice to have you here. Before going out, what's your closing statement to my viewers? What would you like to tell them?
I would like to give a closing statement. First of all, we all have to be brutally honest to ourselves. That's the most important thing. And the most important thing which I can add is your ability is more important than your money because ability cannot be stolen and it cannot be taken away from you. सो जो आपकी काबिलियत होती है वो सबसे जरूरी होती है, वो आपसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता और कोई चुरा नहीं सकता. सो हैव ट्रस्ट एंड जस्ट कीप ऑन मूविंग.
बहुत बढ़िया. Before going, as you are in, means you've played for means so many games, Chennai Super King. I am a hardcore Indian fan. So you remember this? So this is for India.
I remember this. Yeah.
Yeah. So
I
thank you,
remember this.
Kshitij. Thank you very much. And viewers, thank you very much for watching Encounter with Alok. We will be on the 4th episode on next Saturday, 3 o'clock. Do watch. Thank you, Kshitij. You have a good day, man.
Thank you so much for